Welcome to the Ridge house tour. These are some pictures of the outside of Ridge. This is the entrance to Ridge, where it is relative to Berkeley's campus. This is the bulletin board where they kind of post important information about campus or whatever people are involved in terms of organizations. Before we start the tour, this is kind of the floor plan of Ridge. This is the main floor. Right now we're on the main floor, so you'll see us going through all of these rooms. The basement is the first floor, and it leads out to the garden. The third floor is one floor above the main floor, and the fourth floor is one floor above the third floor. So this is the entrance on the main floor.
This is the guest bathroom at Ridge.
Because this was recorded during final season, people are a little bit behind on work shifts, so it's a little bit more messy than usual. Now we are headed through one of the main hallways into the kitchen area. There's like multiple routes to get to the kitchen. This is one of the routes that's connected to a lot of where the maintenance supplies are stored. So you can see to our left. This is like a chemical dispenser for like professional cleaning of like areas. Now you can see we have some personal fridges and storage space. So most of the fridges will store food that is delivered by CFS for their communal dinners, but there are personal fridges that store food too, and all the communal pots and pans you can use. This is the extended kitchen area, so fridges as well as kind of seating space. Now we are in the TV room, so they still have a little bit of like pantry space from the kitchen, as well as a TV and a lot of seating space for people to enjoy as well. This is the Ridge dining area, and so often they'll have their food here. They have a piano and some seating space as well. It's like a multi-purpose space when it's not being used for dining. They also have a very good view of the bay from here as well. You can see here that Ridge also has a library, so most of their books are stored here.
They also have board games.
Now we're going to head to the Ridge basement. Ridge has a lot of artwork on the walls because the co-ops really endorse artistic expression and freedom of expression, so they allow you to paint whatever you want on the wall, so that's why you see that. And Ridge specifically has a mascot, the Ridge Rats. So if you see rat imagery on the walls, that is why. They're very proud of being called the Ridge Rats, as they should. This is the projector room, so people will have karaoke nights or watch movies here. It's a nice space. Here's it in the daylight. The space is very multi-use to fit people's needs. Here is the Ridge gym area / foosball area, piano area. People will do whatever they want here and just use the equipment as they would like.
Now we are headed to the quarantine room, so if someone gets sick, they'll be put in this room to isolate. It is also an example of what a single would look like at Ridge. Like this.
This room leads out to a shared courtyard with Casa Zimbabwe, so you can see there's some bike storage and like a shared entrance that is closed in with Casa Zimbabwe. Now back in the basement area, here's an example of kind of the hallways and the room layout. To your left are stairs leading back up to the main floor. Here's the maintenance room, so you can work on any maintenance projects you have for class or personal projects, as well as any maintenance that has to be done at Ridge will be done in this room. This is the laundry room to your left, and basically people will do their laundry there. It's around $125 to do a wash and dry. This is another example of a bathroom at Ridge, so you can see like the toilet, shower, and sink layout. Now we are going to exit to see some of the garden space. So this part is shared by Casa Zimbabwe and Ridge, as said before. This is the courtyard entrance accessible to Casa Zimbabwe and Ridge. This is yard space, more exclusive to Ridge. People will have birthday parties or whatever events they have for themselves in this space. There's seating outside, and it's a nice place where Ridgelings like to hang out. Now we are headed back inside to see Ridge's third floor. Right now you can see we are in the basement and we are headed through the projector room and then up the stairs. Now we're back in the main hallway and then we're gonna go up the stairs here. So these stairs lead to the third floor. These stairs are the only way to get up to the third floor in the house. Here you can see one of the third floor balconies. It has pretty good views of the bay during the day, but it's a bit hard to see at night. Now, here is kind of the room layout for the third floor, as well as like what the hallways look like. So you can see rooms are on either side of the hallways. Ridge has a couple closets with extra storage space that you can use. This one specifically has maintenance and paint supplies stored in it, so you couldn't use it, but other ones you can store your personal items in. This is another sample bathroom of Ridge. You can see this is like 3 sinks, a couple toilets, and showers. Leaving the bathroom, we are now headed to another outdoor area of Ridge. This is the sun deck. So if you live in Berkheim, a triple, you have 2 doors leading to the area. If you do not live there, there is another door that you can access this area with, not connected to Berkheim. Some people also store their bikes out here. It's pretty multi-purpose. Here is a view of the area that you just saw, but in the daylight, so you have a better understanding of what it looks like. Now we're gonna go up the stairs to see the final floor of Ridge, the 4th floor.
It mostly has more rooms that will be shown. Here you can see some of the floor layout. There's a room here, and here's another sample of a bathroom. This is like a one-person bathroom. This is the Ridge free closet. People will drop off stuff they don't want, and others will pick up stuff that they want, and it's just a place of exchange for things. Finally, this is the end of the hallway for Ridge's 4th floor. You can see there's some storage space, a view of the bay again.
That's so strange.
This is a sample double at Ridge. So when you get your room, you're gonna get your bed, a closet, a desk, and a chair. And then everything else you must bring, or people will leave behind old furniture that they had in their rooms. This is a sample triple at Ridge. This is a picture of a double. This is a picture of a triple. These are all Ridge rooms. That's another triple at Ridge. And that's another double at Ridge. This is another Ridge triple.